Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create a professional CV using Canva. Whether you're just starting your career or refreshing your existing CV, Canva makes the process super easy and visually appealing. So let's get started. First, head over to Canva's website. On the homepage, type CV into the search bar and hit enter. You'll see a wide range of CV templates designed to make your life easier. Browse through the templates and pick one that matches your style or the profession you're targeting. Don't worry if it's not perfect. You'll be customizing it in just a moment. Once you've chosen a template, click Customize this template to open Canva's editor. This is where all the magic happens. In the editor, you can adjust colors, fonts, and layouts to match your personal brand. Then, click on the text boxes to add your personal details, your name, contact info, education, and work experience. Focus on including the most relevant job experiences and achievements. Make sure your skills and accomplishments are clear. This is your chance to shine. Carefully proofread your CV to catch any spelling or grammatical errors. Ensure all elements are cohesive and visually appealing. Finally, download your CV in PDF format for emailing or printing. Canva makes this step straightforward and easy. And that's it. You've created a professional CV with Canva in just a few simple steps. Thanks for watching, and good luck landing your dream job.